Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize JavaScript frameworks with Vue.js detailed guide step by step. Begin by understanding the importance of optimizing JavaScript frameworks for better performance and user experience. Start with installing Vue.js if you haven't done so already. Use npm or yarn to install Vue.js in your project directory. Make sure to keep your Vue.js libraries and dependencies up to date to take advantage of the latest features and improvements. Next, use the Vue CLI to create a new Vue.js project. The CLI helps you set up a project with a structured template that's easy to manage. Once your project is set up, analyze your project's bundle size using tools like Webpack Bundle Analyzer. Reducing the size of your JavaScript bundles is crucial for optimizing performance. Implement lazy loading for components that are not immediately necessary. This can significantly reduce the initial load time of your application. Use the Vue router to configure route-based code splitting. This allows your app to load only the necessary components for each route. Next, refine your API calls. Use efficient data fetching methods to minimize the load on your server and improve response times. Consider employing caching strategies. Storing frequently accessed data can reduce the number of requests sent to the server. Optimize your component structure by breaking down larger components into smaller, reusable ones. This can enhance code maintainability and improve rendering times. Utilize Vue's built-in lifecycle methods effectively. Understanding when to load data can improve your application's performance. Employ computed properties to manage derived state efficiently. This can help avoid unnecessary re-renders. Use Vue's event handling system strategically. Limit the number of event listeners when possible to reduce memory usage. Incorporate performance monitoring tools such as Vue DevTools to analyze your application's performance in real time. Identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement based on metrics provided by these tools. Implement server-side rendering if you require improved performance for initial page loads and better SEO. Utilize Vue's production tips to avoid common pitfalls, such as excessive data watchers or inefficient DOM manipulations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.